So what we're doing right now, this is the first carving on this machine since 2013, maybe 2014. This is 2020.
How excited are you?
Yeah! It's taken a few days to find the right files to get this machine up and running.
A few days meaning literally 3 days.
Back and forth with the different people who made it and this and that. And I finally found the right file after we got the updates from them. Then I finally found the right file to get the actual processor to work for this machine in an old email that Dad and I had gotten back in 2013.
That's what you call ancient.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zero this out. We're going to set it in place, and then the next thing we're going to do is carve a sign for Uncle Danny for his Corvette and parking parameters. We've already set into place a 1/2-inch piece of plywood that we're going to use. Now we're going to set 0 on the machine. Now what we're going to have to do is load the G-code, Danny's Corvette, turn on router. Yep, the first time in years since this thing had been fired up, and it just ran flawlessly. Once it got going, it just worked and worked and worked and worked. We had a bit in there that was a little bit dull. I'd forgotten to check what bit Dad had in it, so it kind of burned the sign. But the burn in there worked out pretty good as it set the lettering apart, and I didn't have to stain those. But Danny sure loves his Corvette, and we were sure happy to make him a sign. Been doing a few other things since then and getting that machine going. But it sure means a lot to be able to do something for Danny and watch him smile. I know he loves his little Corvette. Zach has, since this sign, learned how to operate the machine really well. And we're looking forward to more stuff.